The OnePlus 6T is slated to launch next month as the Chinese phone maker's mid-cycle refresh that is done for the past 2 generations. Today, a new leak reveals what the phone will look like. The OnePlus 6T's design is mostly unchanged from the OnePlus 6 except for one major difference. There's a less intrusive water drop notch, much like the Oppo R17 Pro. Of course, the other difference is the size. The 6T will supposedly use an also slightly larger display, measuring 6.4 inches, diagonally protected by Gorilla Glass 6. This should also yield a slightly higher screen-to-body ratio. Other major difference is the 6T might be OnePlus' first official water-resistant phone. CEO of OnePlus has already confirmed that the 6T will drop the headphone jack, which has been on every OnePlus phone since the company's first-generation device. Because of this, OnePlus will really have no excuse to make the OnePlus 6T water-resistant. There have been rumors that the 6T would equip a triple camera setup like the Oppo R17 Pro. However, due to low-cost/high-value culture that OnePlus has created for the brand, just having 2 cameras is much more likely. The in-display fingerprint solution must have driven up the device's cost. The phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 845 and we are expecting to see 6GB and 8GB of RAM variants with 64GB, 128GB and maybe even 256GB storage options. We also might see the same 16MP plus 20MP dual camera combination. The OnePlus 6 was just updated to Android 9.0 Pie, so we are expecting the 6T to come with Android Pie out of the box. OnePlus has not yet said when or where it will announce this device, given the rumored launch date of October 17. OnePlus should be confirming this sometime in the next week or 2. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.